AgentID is an app that lets users link their verified identity to AI agents, so these agents can act on their behalf in a trusted, verifiable way. Why is this important? Agents are quickly becoming the new human-machine interface. As we delegate more tasks to them, they need to inherit human identity to act on behalf of people. And that is why we are building AgentID, a solution to link verifiable human identity to the agent and anchor that relationship on-chain. We built as a world mini app. Here, users can link their world ID and self-ID to an agent's on-chain address and generate a verifiable credential. For example, confirming if the user is a unique person or is over 18 years old. The VC can later be verified by other apps and services. And once created, the agent profile is uploaded to Hypergraph for future data analysis. So let's go through the app. First, the user logs in with their World app wallet. Before creating an agent, the user can link their World ID and self-ID for later use. Here, I have already verified my passport info with a self-ID. Now let's create an agent. In the agent profile, we can see it's now linked to my World ID username and my verified self-ID and a VC that includes infos like my age and countries and also is verifiable. Below that, we also displays wallet info, interactions, and agent status and activity monitoring. For example, this agent is configured with Gmail integration. Let's have it send an email to hello@ifglobal.com. So it just complete the task and attach a VC to prove it's linked to a verified human. And on the receiving hand, the verifier can use our graph tool to confirm the credentials.
First, we authenticate ourselves into the system. Next, we create both a public space and a private space for storing our agent identity data. Now let's get into the application. If you check the public space, you'll see that it's currently empty. To publish something, we first need to go to the private space. Here, I've created a body parser to help fill out the data fields. Ideally, this should be automatically generated by our data binding mini app, which will produce a JSON file. The next step is publishing, and this can be selective. I can choose exactly what piece of data I want to make public. Before publishing to the on-chain public space, I plan to integrate a VC verification API, which checks the authenticity of the verifiable credential. All done. Now we go back and check the public space. We see the published identity is now available. Finally, let's test removing it by unsetting the published data. That works too. And that's it for the Agent Identity Explorer demo.